everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Bet365 account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Bet365 account, open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.bet365.com and press enter on a keyboard. Bet365 is an online gambling company offering sports betting and casino type games. Once you end up in the official web page, to log into your existing account, click the login link at the top right, which will bring up the pop-up menu where you can easily enter your username and password associated with your Bet365 account. Start off by typing in your valid username. Make sure to enter the correct one. And on the next field, enter your correct password as well. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Join Now button and follow the instructions till the end in order to register yourself first. If you are having trouble remembering your credentials, click on this Having Trouble Logging In link and follow the instructions to look for your credentials. After typing in the correct username and password, click Login in order to access to your Bet365 account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.